In your professional or school life, you are constantly faced with new challenges and you need to respond to them flexibly. And for that, you need solutions that are just as flexible as you are. One such solution could be the ViewSonic IFP in combination with the Celexon Oslo mobile stand and the Logitech MeetUp2. And that's exactly what we're going to take a look at today. The ViewSonic IFP displays are available in various models and sizes, ranging from 55 to 98 inches. What they all have in common is the integrated, intuitive Android interface and the 4K display. Thanks to the high brightness of the displays and the anti-glare surface, these devices are also ideal for use in bright rooms and in daylight. To ensure you can always connect all your devices perfectly, the IFP offers several ports, for example here on the front with HDMI, USB-B out, and also USB inputs. And on the back, there are also numerous ports such as HDMI or USB-C. The ViewSonic IFP also packs plenty of power in the version we have here. It features an octa-core processor, 8 GB of RAM, and the Android 14 interface. So that you can hold hybrid video conferences or impromptu film screenings in the best possible way, we have an integrated soundbar and a microphone array here. If you want to hold video conferences, we recommend combining it with a video conference camera, such as the Logitech MeetUp2. If you use multiple displays, you can easily log in with your NFC cards using your preset profiles and have access to your apps and Office files. This allows you to work flexibly in different situations. At the same time, you also protect your files from unauthorized access. And if you have guests in the building, they can of course still use the displays via guest access. You can easily mirror content from your mobile devices to the display using AirPlay, Miracast, or Google Cast. But screen sharing also works the other way round, so that everyone can see what's happening on the display at the front. This is particularly interesting for example, educational institutions when those at the very back of the lecture hall or in large conference rooms need to see the display. In everyday business life, you can of course also make excellent use of the IFP's touch function alongside the screen sharing features, for example with the pre-made meeting templates, such as for notes or brainstorming sessions. Naturally, you can then save the content and make it available to all participants afterwards. For use in educational institutions, the IFP comes with a host of exciting functions pre-installed. For example, templates for maths lessons including geometry functions for things like straight lines, or sports templates for tactical discussions, and there's even a matching clock or stopwatch for timing the games. To manage your ViewSonic IFPs, the myViewBoard Manager is available to you. With this, you can update the software remotely or set schedules for digital signage when the devices are not in use. For a compact, mobile and stylish setup, we use the Celexon Oslo. This is a mobile and height-adjustable display trolley with an optional camera shelf. The precise and, above all, stepless height adjustment can be carried out either via the remote control or directly on the trolley using the buttons. The VESA standard from 200 by 200 up to 900 by 600 allows for the mounting of displays ranging from 55 inches to 90 inches. For larger displays, the Oslo Max is also available. The trolley itself is very light at 27 kilograms, so it can be easily moved from room to room even with a display mounted. For collaborative office spaces and modern classrooms, interactive touch displays are indispensable. The ViewSonic IFP series provides ample power for this purpose. If you want to know how best to use the ViewSonic IFPs in your company or school, then contact us by email, by phone, or via chat. Of course, you can also find more information at visunext.de. Would you like to learn more about using displays in offices or educational institutions? Then subscribe to our channel here. And if you're interested in a very special place of use, namely a football stadium, then I recommend our video here about the cooperation with SC Preußen Münster. Enjoy!